Hey there, welcome back to Spirit of a Handyman. Today, refinishing this old wood door. In order to get it refinished, we had to scrape away many layers of paint, which leaves this kind of like these deep gouges in the paint. So as we're painting, it just looks like this. Not a great finished look. So here's what we're gonna try to do, and if it works, then we will be heralded as geniuses. I'm taking some all-purpose caulk, which has a pretty quick dry time. Paint in 30 minutes. And I'm gonna basically just come through, put it in these spaces, and smear it in. And then hopefully when I come back and paint, it'll look pretty smooth. So that's the goal. Now I can already hear a couple people commenting, and they are saying, why did you gouge the door to begin with? Well, let me quickly answer that by saying you have to scrape whenever you're repainting over something. So anywhere where the old paint is loose and starting to peel up, you want to make sure that you scrape off all that loose paint. And that can leave these places where the paint is scraped. You have different layers of paint. So this is at least the way I chose to remedy that is you put this caulk on there, you build it up a little bit more than you need to, and then you even that out using your putty knife or some other kind of flat object, and just even that out. The end result ends up looking pretty much like a brand new door. You have a totally flat and even surface to paint with, and then you get a nice looking end result. So here we are with the finished product. This is the corner of the door that just looked real nasty, and you can see there as the paint has dried that that thin skim coat of caulk has really filled that in nicely. Is it perfect? No. Is it 80% better? For sure. 90%? Arguably. So just a quick and easy fix on how to restore an old door that has paint and that's been cracking. Hey, if you have a great idea or tip, leave that comment down below and give it to the rest of us so that we can all become a better DIYer together. Thanks for hitting the like button and commenting on this video. Hit subscribe and turn on your notifications if you want to hear more from Spirit of a Handyman.
He's got the spirit of a handyman. A handyman.